Hi friends, this is Chris with Josephine's Designs. I am back with a part 2 of this really big order from DEK Designs. So like I said earlier, I had placed this order and it came in April, but in all of the moving around and packing and whatnot, I found it when we were clearing some things out yesterday. So I assume I haven't shown it to you guys because I always remove the receipt or my personal information. So here we go. All right, so this is the Hobonichi, and that is clearly very USA celebratory, or if you're from a country that's red, white, and blue, super cute. And then here is this gorgeousness, which is just summer, summer, summer. Isn't that beautiful? The colors are gorgeous on that. Okay, so I'm just going to kind of come down like that, okay? And then, ooh, look at this one. This one is really pretty. So these are all 3-page sticker kits, which you can have 3-page or you can just have 2. And yeah, so I love that one. That just kind of has the geometrics and colors. And you can even use that for Christmas. It's got green and red, or you could use it anytime. And then here is a gorgeous one with sunflowers, and that just has 2. So, whoops, sorry. Here's my theory, trying to look pretty for y'all. Love that. That just looks so pretty. And here's pink. I think I'm just going to do it like this. Gorgeous. And rose gold. And then look at this pastel one. Oh, absolutely beautiful. Seriously, wow. Okay, and then here is another 2. Looks like 3-page kit. How pretty is that? That looks like fall. And then look at this. It'd be perfect for winter. That gray and silver. So pretty. And whoops, pardon me. 2 of those. And then you have this one, which I love, which is the pink and green. I just love pink and green. I don't know why. It's just one of my favorite color combinations. And then here is another pink and green. Definitely have a thing going for that color. I know, so pretty. Here is one more with more of the grays and the pastels and kind of the beige neutrals. I really think that one's very pretty. Be pretty for fall, be pretty for spring, be pretty anytime. And then here is another kind of a silver gray and just beautiful. Okay, I think that one goes with that. And then look at this. Isn't that gorgeous? That yellow and that teal. Teal blue. So pretty. I don't know if that's teal or kind of a night blue. I don't know. It's really beautiful. And look at the colors of this. So you've kind of got that autumn with navy and then rose gold. How gorgeous is that? Okay, here is one that's all about the coffee. And I love that with that mulberry pink and kind of brownish gray. And then look at this Christmas one. So sweet. I love that. The little kind of lazy Susan that, has multiple layers. Isn't that pretty? Okay, and here's one all about the little cheetah. Isn't that cute? Oh, that's so sweet. And then here is another one. Let's see the girl's socks. So pretty. And then they're all foil, and they all are gorgeous colors. So there is a teal and a light blue and kind of a pinky peach. So pretty with florals. So pretty. And there is peach and blue with butterflies. Isn't that sweet? So pretty. Okay, last one. It is the floral fields that I just love. I've used this one before. So let me see if I can scoot it out anymore. If you think there's not enough Hobonichi out there, go to DEK Designs for the Hobonichi Weeks. It's the smaller planner, and there it is fully loaded and gorgeous variety of colors and styles and designs and all of that. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. Like, subscribe, leave a comment. Tell me what was your favorite kit. And yes, I went fast, but I talk slow. So hopefully if you need to, you can go back, slow it down. You can adjust your settings on how fast you watch a video. And just turn the sound off and look at the pictures if you want. Okay, friends. Again, this is dekdesigns.com. Hobonichi for the weeks. It's gorgeous. She also now has Hobonichi cousins, so kits. So be sure you go take a peek. Okay, friends, I pray your day is blessed, creative, and lovely. And I will be talking to you soon. I can't wait to hear what you guys think of all this. Okay, love y'all. Bye bye.